8050 calling 80. 80 carrier. तो नॉर्मल है, ये बेस नहीं है कुछ प्रॉब्लम, बेस तो नॉर्मल है।
दो पेजन गम सड़क यह कोर डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलिस तो ट्रैफिक वालों ट्रैफिक पुलिस हाँ तम रोड वोड मजा कर बराबर प्रॉब्लम ग ट्रैफिक जाम पान चिक मान
I'm Sub-Inspector Mohammed of Pute. Here it was a ditch, very deep ditch. I think they are 3 to 4, and we feel with the help of district police, especially the SHO Sharma, he has helped us to fill the ditch. These ditches were very dangerous. Few accidents took place here also, and it was the main cause of damaging the vehicles. Various vehicles got damaged here. So today we, with the help of with the help of this SHO Sharma and his escort, we became able to fill the ditch so that it will give some relax to the people, and it was a main cause of traffic congestion, traffic jam here, and now it is free flowing and traffic is flying very normal here. Earlier we talked with him, and now he come to rescue. He comes here for the help of ours, and we jointly with his team and with my own team, we fill these ditches, and we request to further the district administration please fill these ditches properly and in a very stern manner.
Thank you, sir.